To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi, Detective. I am so glad you're here. I am so itchy. Are you itchy? No? Just me? Oh man, why am I so itchy? Hi, Sound Monster. What are you doing here? I know why you're so itchy. Why am I so itchy? Iggy the dog had an itch, and he gave that itch to you. Oh no, how do I fix it? He said we have to listen to the story and find the I sound. Okay, do you guys think you can do it? You do? Thanks, because I am so itchy. Bye, Sound Monster. Every time you hear the I sound, you're going to itch. You guys ready? You gotta do it good so I'm not itchy anymore. Iggy the dog had an itch. He decided to invent an ingenious device that gave him a scratch to help his itch. Were you itching a lot? Do you have an itch too? Oh no. I found something. I found the letter I. Here's Iggy the dog. Look how itchy he is. This is the letter I. Can you say I? I. That's its name. Let's say its sound. Its sound is I. Can you say its sound? I. Ooh, what are your lips doing? I. Might kind of make a smile a little bit. I. What's your teeth doing? I. Mine are separated. What's your tongue doing? I. Mine is at the bottom of my mouth and behind my bottom teeth. I. Ooh, that's a good sound. Let's touch our voice box. I. I. My voice box is vibrating. Is yours vibrating? I. That means I'm using my voice. All right, let's see if it can go on forever or if it stops. It can go on forever. This is going to be a super fun action. Are you ready? It goes like this. I itch, it. Do it by yourself. Let's do it together. Ready? I itch, it. Way to go. I need you to practice your letters from before because remember I told you that if I don't practice it, it won't get stuck in my brain and then people will steal my letters again. Can you sing the song with me? Okay, let's get started.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig, N, nut, I, itch, I.
All right, let's look at our letters. This is an uppercase I. What is this? Uppercase I. This is a lowercase I. What is this? Lowercase I. Say it one more time. Pick your silliest voice. Are you ready? Uppercase I. Lowercase I. Can you do it by yourself? Whoa, that was awesome work. Do you think that you can help me sort my uppercase and lowercase letters? Uppercase I. Uppercase I. Uppercase I. Uppercase I. Uppercase I. Lowercase I. Lowercase I. Lowercase I. Lowercase I. Lowercase I. All right, detectives, it is writing time. That means You've got it. We're going to sing our song and get our magical wand. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, practice makes it better. When I write my letters, start at the top. We are going to practice writing uppercase I and lowercase I. Uppercase I is going to start at the top. We're going to start at the top. We're going to go across the skyline. Pick up my pencil. Start in the middle of the line. Go down to the grass line. Pick up my pencil and go across on the grass line. You've got it. Let's do uppercase I one more time. Start at the skyline. Go across the skyline. Pick up my pencil. Go to the middle of the line. Down to the grass line. Pick up my pencil and across on the grass line. Way to go. Let's do lowercase I. Now lowercase I doesn't start at the skyline. He's going to start at the mountain line. So start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, pick up my pencil and give him a little dot at the top. Let's do it one more time. Start at the grass line, start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, pick up my pencil and give him a dot at the top. I'm going to tell you a word. Can you tap the sounds on your Sound Monster board? Say nut. Did you say t? Say pen. Tap the sounds. Did you say n? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. Ix. Did you say fix? Ick. Did you say pick? You have learned about the letter I. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter I. If you have finished that page and you are ready to move on from the letter I, you can color I on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.